Welcome back. Today we will discuss important lines and boundaries between countries or within a country that are important. So let's start. First, Durand Line. This is between Pakistan and Afghanistan. It was delimited by Sir Mortimer Durand with the agreement of the erstwhile Amir of Afghanistan in 1893. So in 1893, Durand Line was formed, but present day Afghanistan does not recognize the Durand Line. Total length of Durand Line is 2670 kilometer. As we can see in map, it is location of Pakistan, Afghanistan, and here we can see Durand Line. Next, McMahon Line. McMahon Line is the demarcation line between Tibet and the northeast region of India, proposed by British colonial administrator Sir Henry McMahon at 1914 Simla Convention signed between British and Tibetan representative. So we can say that McMahon Line is a demarcation line between India and China. It is named after Sir Henry McMahon. As you can see, this is the northeastern part of India, Arunachal Pradesh, and in north there is China, and the demarcation line, as you can see, this is called McMahon Line. Next, Red Cliff Line, most important one. The Red Cliff Line was the demarcation line between the Indian and Pakistani portion of Punjab and Bengal provinces of British India. It was this Red Cliff Line was named after Sir Cyril Redcliffe, who was the joint chairman of the two boundary commission for the two provinces. The demarcation line was published on 17th August 1947 upon the partition of India. Okay, just 2 days after independence of India. As we can see, this is the location. As we can see, there is Pakistan, and in red color we can see Red Cliff Line. Next, line of control. The line of control is a military control line between the India and Pakistan, and it is a line which does not constitute a legally recognized international boundary but serves as the de facto border. It is not an international line, but it acts as a border. It was originally known as ceasefire line, and it was redesignated as LOC after the Simla Agreement. Simla Agreement took place on 3 July 1972. Next, as you can see here, location in green color there is Pak occupied Kashmir, POK, and in yellow color we can see this Indian territory, and near Kargil there is line of control. In the same way, with China there is line of actual control, as we will discuss next. Line of actual control. The line of actual control is a loose demarcation line that separates Indian and Chinese territory in the Sino-Indian border dispute. Sino is used for Chinese. The term was first used by Zhou Enlai in 1959, later to Jawaharlal Nehru. It subsequently referred to the line formed after the 1962 Sino-Indian War and is part of the Sino-Indian border dispute. So as we can see in location here, right hand side in red color there is Akshai Chin, and as we can see the border, this is line of actual control between India and China. Next, 30th parallel line or military demarcation line. The military demarcation line, in short it is called MDL, sometimes referred to as the armistice line. It is the land border or demarcation line between North Korea and South Korea. So we have to just remember 30th parallel line is the demarcation line between North Korea and South Korea, and on either side of the line there is a zone that is called Korean Demilitarized Zone, in short DMZ. As you can see in map, there is North Korea, South Korea, and in parallelly there is line passing, it is called 30th parallel. Next, Maginot Line. The Maginot Line, first of all, in straight way to learn, we can say this is the line between France and Germany. The Maginot Line, named after the French minister War Andre Maginot, is a line of concrete fortifications, obstacles, and weapon installations built by France in the 1930s to deter invasion by Germany and force them to move around the fortifications. So actually it was found by French to stop German. Next, no, first Maginot line. We can see Maginot line in red color. In northern part there is Germany, in southern part there is France, and in red line there is this Maginot line. Next, Hindenburg line. Hindenburg line is between Poland and Germany. It was a German defensive line in the French territory during World War One. Next, 17th parallel. 17th parallel line, this is the border line between North and South Vietnam. It was demarcated based on the 1954 Geneva Accords. It was demarcated according to Geneva Accords of 1954. But after the unification of Vietnam in 1976, the 17th parallel line lost its relevancy. It has now become irrelevant. As you can see, there is North Vietnam, South Vietnam. In orange color there is North Vietnam, in yellow color there is South Vietnam, and in between we can see 17th parallel line. But in present day it is not relevant. Next, 49th parallel or medicine line. This is between USA and Canada. So let's see in detail. It is demarcated after the Anglo-American Convention of 1818 and the Oregon Treaty of 1846. It forms the international border between northern USA, but excluding Alaska and Canada. In short, we can learn 49th parallel line is between USA and Canada, excluding Alaska, as we can see in map. In southern part there is United States, in northern part there is Canada, and in red color we can see 49th parallel line. So thank you, we'll meet in next video.